here we are again, my favorite place in the world, Copart. We got a list. Actually, we got quite a few cars to look at today. I've got 22 on the list, so I guess let's get in here and get this figured out. All right, number one on my list. Tell me what you guys think about this. A fucking Mini Cooper, right? I've never had one. I drove one once and I didn't like it. I got put in it as a rental car. This one, the thing is, this one in the pictures, it had the key hanging from the steering wheel, but now it's listed as no key, no run, no drive, no start, no nothing. Enhanced only. This window has been down for God knows how long. There's like this green algae or something growing on the floor. The mileage, we know the mileage is 120,000 because that's what it showed in the pictures. The headliner, it's got dual sunroofs, which is kind of cool, but the headliner's coming down. We don't really know anything about it. The hood latch, interesting note, if you're looking for a Mini Cooper and you can't find the hood latch is over there on the passenger side kick panel. Very strange. I don't know. The car itself does not look bad. The tires look good. I just don't know, man. I don't know. What do you guys think about a Mini Cooper? Comment below. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of damage right here. A little bit of damage right there. You can see it's a little wavy. Nothing too bad. And the trim piece for this, I believe, is actually in the car. All right, here's another one. This one's an interesting one, not because of the accident. The accident's actually not too bad on this one at all. It looks worse than it is, really. Hatch, a bumper support, a little bit of tweaking down there, nothing too major. It doesn't look like there's any type of frame damage. Body lines match up on both sides. This one's interesting. Well, number one, I like it. I like the LTZ. I really do. I think this is a really fun car for what it is. But this is a bio mold, and this is, you see this all the time. For some reason, on cars like this, I don't understand it. Like these smaller cars, I actually see this more often than I really would expect. It's called a bio car because of all the food and just junk. There's just rotting food in this. Look back here too. It's the same thing in the back. Just lots of rotting, decaying food. It's disgusting. Now, this is the LTZ, which is the more fun version of this car. It's got that turbo 4, little 1.4. It's the same engine that's in my Chevy Cruze. It's got spider webs and stuff under the hood, so this one may have been sitting for a little bit. Yeah, but it's got the turbo 4. It's got the touchscreen leather interior. It looks about as loaded as you can get for a Sonic. A fun little car. All right, here's a 2009 Impala. These are great cars. These usually sell pretty fast. They're easy to sell. People just love them. Personally, I love them too. This one is a donation, run and drive. It is very, very clean. This is a very clean car, in and out. And if I remember right, this is a clean title too. Not a bad looking car, right? It's got a straight body, good tires. We checked the fluids. All of the fluids look good on it. 177,000 miles. Doesn't look like it belonged to a smoker. There's no cigarette burns or anything anywhere. I like this. I like this. We do have there's a little bit of paint peel right here. And we got somebody definitely hit something. You can see that right here. It doesn't look too bad. It broke the bumper right here. Could probably fix that. There's the inner fender liner right here is missing. Overall, though, I don't see anything that looks like it's too concerning. Looks like a good car. Here's one of Rick Dyer's favorites. Go over to Rick Dyer's channel and check him out. He loves the Trailblazer, man, because they made these things forever and they are just rock solid vehicles. This is a 2003 Trailblazer. This is a repossession, so it's a clear title. It's got matching tires all the way around, and the tires look amazing, man. These things are like new. Not only that, it's a 4x4, so you've got your switches over here. for 2 high, then all-wheel drive, then 4 high and 4 low, and yes, it works. Range selector works fine. AC is not working. 168,000 miles on the odometer. We do have a check engine light. Other than that, though, I mean, she runs strong, real strong. She runs strong, she runs good. This is the LT with 3rd row seating. Look at that. I mean, it needs a little bit of a cleaning, but not bad. Not bad at all. And according to Copart, this is a repossession. So chances are, it's got new ball joints too. We see it's got a new belt, it's got a new belt tensioner, it's got new ball joints, it's got new tires. So somebody put a lot of money into this thing, and I'd be willing to bet they just didn't make their car payment. Yeah, and this is sitting at $275 right now. How about that? How about a $125 van? All right, it's not going to sell for $125, but this has already got a rebuilt title, so somebody's already put in some work on this one. And I saw what they did. They replaced the front bumper, they replaced the hood, and it looks like that's it. And they did paint the outside. Unfortunately, they left the underside red. So I mean, you're not going to be able to hide that, not unless you go through and paint it. This has stow and go, which is great. I've actually had several of these vans, and had pretty good luck with them. They've been pretty reliable vehicles for me. I even used one of these for Uber XL back in the day. I called it Big Blue. It was about the same color as this one. Nice looking van, run and drive, 125 bucks is the current bid. This is one I'll be keeping my eye on. Got some paint peel. Tires are, they're okay. What do you think? It's not too bad. All right, how about a nice retail red C7? Yeah, I like this. Jessica's in love. Well, she's not in love with this one in particular, but she's in love with the idea of the C7. This one took a nasty, nasty hit, man. I mean, with these aluminum frames, it doesn't take much to snap them. Look at this, though. Pulled, this isn't snapped. It literally pulled the frame out of whatever the hell's back here. It looks like this just slides right back in, and it pulled it out and broke all the, some kind of sealant, probably like some kind of aircraft epoxy or something that they use on this. But I mean, look at this, look. Man, what a sad day. But that's not even the damage I'd worry about. Like that's nothing, that can be fixed. I watch Goon Squad do it. I know I can do it. It's this over here. Yeah, it's this. The axle's bent. You can see the other wheel sticking out too far. You know, this is all just fiberglass. Corvettes, for those of you that don't know, Corvettes don't do well in accidents, man. Whether it's hitting a wall, hitting a curb, these cars just break to pieces. Sad though, man. Sad. And of course, you can't get into it because it's electronic, battery's dead and all that. It was a beautiful car though. It sure was. All right, we're not completely done with the good cars yet, but we are going to work our way through some Carnage just to save time. I have a board meeting in literally 45 minutes. So, you know, I figured we'd show a little bit of Carnage and just work our way through here. Interesting though, none of the airbags went off, right? It's almost like maybe this thing was hit while it was parked. I don't know. She took a nasty, nasty hit though. Nasty. All right, here's another one. Like, what did you hit, man? Look at that. It's got half a wheel, less than half a wheel. I mean, damn. Damn. Look at this. Whew. I think I've showed this one in the video before. Mercury Grand Marquis, at least it used to be. This thing got hot, right? I don't know what we got sitting next to it, but that thing didn't fare much better. Maybe that's what hit this. There's the exhaust pipe right there. Wow. Man, that makes for a bad day. Jessica actually just found this one. I think this is called a Jeep box. I don't know. I don't know. This one, yeah, I don't know. That's all I'm going to say about this one. I don't know. I don't know what happened here. Whatever it was wasn't good, I'll tell you that. How about another crispy critter? Look, the hood is on upside down, I think. No, it's just it's missing the wow. There's what's left of the motor. What do you think? Does she get a little hot? Oh, I don't know what it is, but I love the smell. I really do. I love the smell of burnt things. Burnt rubber, burnt metal, burnt paint. Wow, look at this. It melted the aluminum toolbox. Well, it was a nice truck. Wonder what happened to it. Other than the obvious, it caught on fire. Yeah, I don't know what happened to this one. But, wow. Right? I'm about to fall and bust my ass. Damn. Now that one's scary. All right, so there's another one I was looking for, a Mercedes convertible flood car. I think it's like hell, I don't even remember what it was, to be honest with you. But I can't find it. It's not where it's supposed to be, and I don't have a lot of time to continue looking. So I guess we're gonna bounce up out of here, and we'll see what we win tomorrow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for your Copart walk around. I hope you enjoyed it. Big shout out to Copart. Thank you, Copart, for allowing me to come out here and do these videos. I really appreciate it, and I know my subscribers do too. We found a few things we're interested in, really two, to be honest with you, the Trailblazer and the Impala. Those are the two that I think Weird Beard is really interested in this week. So let's see what happens, see if we win them. Also, want to give a big shout out to a new sponsor of this channel, and that is, drumroll, Jegs Performance. Yes, Jegs actually contacted me and got me set up with an affiliate account. So that is really awesome. Big shout out to Jegs Performance. Thank you guys over there. Check the link in the description box. That'll take you over to Jegs. Use my link if you're wanting to look. Jegs, I know you know who Jegs are, but some of you may not. Jegs is like the biggest performance part specialist. They sell performance part, aftermarket parts, rims. They got anything and everything you need over there at Jegs Performance for any of your classic resto mods, whatever it is you're working on. Jegs has probably got it for you. So go check them out. Hey, if you're not even going to buy anything, go over there and check them out anyway. It's worth a look. You'll find some cool stuff over there on their website. Thank you to Jegs. Thank you, subscribers, for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, be sure to click that subscribe button now. Be sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this content. Comment below. Stay safe out there, everybody. I got to get out of here. We will catch you soon in the next one.